disciples, verse 38, Jesus was in the stern, sleeping on a cushion. The disciples woke him and said to him, Teacher, don't you care if we are going to drown? Pakinggan niyo yung sinasabi ng mga disciples dito. May mga tao kasi, or minsan tayo, sinasabi natin na meron tayong pananampalataya sa Panginoon. But every time we face trouble, we face problem, or we face difficult situation in our life, as if tingin natin sa Panginoon, He is powerless over our situation. We say God is good. We say God saves. We say that God is powerful. Pero pag makaranas ka na ng difficult situation in your life, tinatanong mo na kagad ang Panginoon, Panginoon, do you care?